Okay, so we're gonna start now, like right now. Don't. You should have got your snack a long time ago. We're about to start right now. What's up, my Kyrie queens? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video has been requested by a good friend of mine, Mercedes. Shout out to you, Mercedes. I know it took me a little minute to upload this video. I'm very sorry. She requested a champagne-y, goldish type of look, and I kind of took it and elaborated is the right word that I'm looking for on this look. I think it came out absolutely stunning. It didn't take me that long to do, actually. I feel like this didn't take as long as all my other videos. So I'm gonna just jump right into my look for today. I want to feel rich through my eyes, because through my pockets is not the same feeling. So as you already know, I do my eyebrows off camera. I actually decided to just define under my brow today because I want it to pop as much as possible. So I did go lighter on my concealer. I'm actually gonna just use my usual concealer on top just to blend that better into my foundation. So we're gonna go into So Good in the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Since we're using shimmery colors today, I want it to pop even more. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Bear With Me spray. It's a prime, set, and refresh spray. But I like to spray my brush and then put my color on there. All right, guys, so now that I put that on, I blended it out some. We're gonna go into another shimmery color from the James Charles palette, and it's called Wig. Take that same brush and spray it again. I'm matching my do-rag. What y'all think? Okay, folks, so now I'm gonna go in with T in the James Charles palette. So now I'm gonna go into No Beans in my James Charles palette. I'm gonna go in with Benny, and I'm gonna go in the very pocket of my crease, and then I'm gonna do the outer and inner corner of my eyes with that dark color, but it's okay. It is gonna work out. I'm gonna go back into No Beans, put it on top of Benny, and kind of tone down this darkness so much. I just wanted to make a darker No Beans, if that makes sense. So now I'm gonna go into my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Yogurt. Don't mind it, it's super messy. So I'm just taking a little lip brush, getting some of that on there. So I'm gonna go into Do Me. I'm gonna go into Pipe by the same Estate brand. I'm gonna go into Benny and put it on my under eye like I did my crease. Now we're gonna go into No Beans and we're gonna go right under that Benny so that I can blur it out into my foundation. Usually I would just stop here and actually do a liner and some lashes and stuff, but I want to go above and beyond like usual. I get to do it anywhere else. I'm gonna get my Hard Candies Glitter Stay. I'm gonna put it right on my bottom lash line and then put some like bronzy glitter under my eyes. And you have to be really careful, guys, because this is not cosmetic grade glitter. So you don't want to get it too into your eyelid. Guys, I am just going to mess with this a little bit more, put on my mascara and my liner and my eyelashes, finish it up with my foundation, and I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. Stay tuned. So yeah, so this is the look, guys. I'm loving everything about it. I got my little Lion King shirt on with the earrings to match. So for today, I want to shout out Mercedes. I love you, girl. Thank you for choosing this look. I just didn't know what I wanted to do yet, but I figured it out. Here it is for you. Hope that you get to incorporate this into your everyday life, girl. You came up with that good idea, girl. I really didn't know how I was gonna do it, but I did it. I think I did. And I wanted this look to be just like glowy. I wanted it to be golds, browns, nudes, and still fierce. So this is a nice golden champagne-y smoky eye. I did a full glam look for you guys today with the foundation and the eyelashes and the glitter and the hair. Yes. What do you guys think? My hair's kind of falling a little bit, but it's just for the video. It's for video purposes. Like, I love it. I love it. I think we did good on this one, guys. High five! So I'm recording this video on top of an injury that I had. Let's just say I am smiling through the pain, took 2 Tylenol, and I am recording this video for you guys. So you can tell I'm a very dedicated person. I can't walk on my foot right now, but I can still do some makeup. Low-key, feel like a diva a little bit.
What you need? Do you know I got it? All I'm asking is for respect when you come home. Hey, baby, when you come home.
So thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some type of inspiration and you take my look and then you use it and twist it and turn it into your own idea. I love you guys.